The pages of a designer living magazine have been brought to life with this breathtaking 4-bedroom Sorrento home that seamlessly marries lifestyle, location and luxury. Stunningly styled throughout, a state-of-the-art kitchen touts an entertainer's agenda with stone benches, a butler's pantry, wine fridge and deluxe wet bar. An adjacent lounge with gas log fire and stunning dining area is framed by a wall of bifolding doors that open completely to a garden courtyard, side deck bar and lower level garden terrace with pizza oven and tranquil cross-flow breezes on balmy summer evenings. The master suite is enormous, with a large dressing room, gleaming ensuite, retreat lounge area and French doors opening to a private outdoor entertaining area. 3 sun-drenched bedrooms, all opening to the second-storey wraparound balcony. A sleek bathroom, hidden kitchenette and sweeping second living area comprise the upper level, while an external staircase allows for separate entry to this divine coastal home.